Understanding Iron-clad Will, Unlocking English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, iron-clad will. This idiom is not just about the words but about the powerful idea it represents. Let's dive into what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday English. Iron-clad will is a phrase that combines two words, ironclad, meaning extremely strong or robust, and will, referring to a person's determination or resolve. When put together, iron-clad will describes a determination that is incredibly strong and unbreakable, similar to iron armor. It's often used to admire someone's unwavering determination to achieve their goals, no matter how difficult the obstacles. The term, ironclad, has its roots in naval history, referring to warships covered in iron armor. These ships were nearly indestructible. Over time, the term evolved to describe anything very strong or unbreakable. When we say someone has an ironclad will, we are comparing their determination to the strength and impenetrability of these ships. This phrase is often used in motivational contexts or to describe people who have overcome significant challenges. To help you understand better, let's see some examples. 1. Despite many failures, Thomas Edison had an ironclad will to continue his experiments, which eventually led to the invention of the light bulb. 2. The athlete's ironclad will was evident as she continued to compete despite her injury. 3. To succeed in this competitive field, one needs an ironclad will and a passion for the work. It's important not to confuse ironclad will with mere stubbornness. Ironclad will implies a positive, purpose-driven determination, not just refusing to change one's mind. Also, remember that it's an idiomatic expression, so it should be used in contexts where its metaphorical meaning is clear. And that's a wrap on ironclad will. I hope this video helps you understand and use this powerful phrase in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing, and you'll develop an ironclad will in your language learning journey. See you in the next video.